Your roof is the single most important part of your home. It's protecting everything inside of it. So why are people still putting one of the weakest materials on their most valuable assets? Hi, I'm Dave from ProVia, and today we're going to put two different roofing systems head to head in a live impact test. And I think the results are going to surprise you. Here is an asphalt shingle. This is what covers around 80% of homes in America. And this is a ProVia metal shingle. For this impact test, we will see how each holds up versus a standard handheld hammer at low velocity. Here we go. The asphalt rips instantly. Even at low impact force, it shreds upon impact. The hammer goes right through like paper. Let's see how ProVia metal responds. Look at that. More than double the force and a completely different result. The metal shingle looks practically untouched. This is why insurance companies lower your premium when you put a metal roof on your home, because they know what we proved right here. So let's talk about why they're so different, because it's not just about toughness. Asphalt shingles absorb heat, they absorb the UV rays, they dry out, they crack, they curl. That's why you're calling a contractor every 20 to 25 years to come out, rip your old roof off, and replace it with a new asphalt roof. That's not a roofing system. That's a subscription you never knew you signed up for. ProVia metal roofing is designed to be a lifetime roof. Homeowners who put our roofing on today will never replace their roof again in their lifetime. Think about that. Some of you may have heard of stone-coated steel. That is a step up from asphalt, but with ProVia's metal roofing, you won't have the granule loss, the streaking, you won't get the algae buildup, and the color holds much longer. Cedar shake roofs can give your home a beautiful look for a few years. Then they're going to start to degrade. They're going to start to fade, crack, and curl, and just look like an eyesore. ProVia's metal roofing can give you that same elegant look without the staining, without the curling, without all the maintenance involved with cedar shake roofing. Real slate is beautiful, but it is heavy and it is expensive. ProVia metal roofing can give you that same beautiful look of real natural slate at a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the weight. ProVia's metal roofing is a third of the weight of traditional metal shingles, so you don't have to worry about all that extra load on the top of your roof or any additional structural reinforcement to get that same beautiful slate look on your home. Same story with clay barrel tile. Beautiful look, but it is heavy, it's fragile, and it is extremely expensive. The ProVia barrel tile can give you that same Mediterranean look, but it's going to be much lighter, a lot easier to install, and a lot more affordable. So the real question isn't, is ProVia's metal roof better than an asphalt shingle? I think we made that pretty clear. The real question is, what does this cost? And how does it compare to my new asphalt roof every 20 years? I think the answer is going to shock you. We're going to break all of that down in the next video. Hit the link below, and I'll see you there.
DuraCraftRoofing.com. Measure your roof in 60 seconds with satellite imaging. Begin designing your roof in our custom builder and get all the details of our triple stack warranty. Paradise, Pennsylvania, DuraCraftRoofing.com. Call us 717-682-4250. DuraCraft Metal Roofing, built for life. DuraCraft Roofing is an authorized ProVia metal contractor.